Hello everyone! Today we review an item from Porto's, arguably the best bakery in California, started by a Cuban family, and they became the #1 restaurant on Yelp in 2016. They're famous for their baked goods, their long but fast lines, and their cheese rolls that are only about $1 each. Great prices. And now you can get them online, which is what we did. And because the cheese rolls are cheap enough already, they're not that much more expensive online. Welcome to Big Belly Gourmet. Look what we got. But they're known for their cheese rolls. I think one key to their success is not only does it taste great, but they're very cheap. I think the cheese rolls are like $1 each, which is amazing. Okay. Dry, it's gotta be careful. So let's see what this comes with. I actually ordered 2 because you have to do a minimum of 2 items in your order. Online, it comes out to about $2 each, which is still pretty cheap, you know?
Yeah, usually they have to package it and stuff.
Yeah, usually when you order food stuff, it's super expensive. So this whole thing, I think there's a dozen each, so that's 24. That's like 40.
Order the potato.
It's like 40 something dollars. No, I just got the cheese rolls.
And also there's the instructions on the paper.
Okay, this must be like a baking paper, parchment paper. Follow the instructions to bake at home. So there we go. Only thing is you gotta like wipe out the styrofoam from the box so you don't get all mixed up into your Portos. It's a little bit messy. Yeah, so my one concern is the styrofoam dust. I've never seen styrofoam dust before, and I just wiped one box. But it gets all over the nooks and crannies. Even on the inside of this fold, there was some styrofoam dust, like inside of this flap here. You see it? So I hope there's none inside the package because you don't want to eat styrofoam dust. So if that's one thing they could improve upon is the packing. Whoever they use or where they get the source of styrofoam from, it's very dusty. And I think what it is probably the way they package it. The dry ice probably eroded the inside of the thing, and these normally have like sugar crystals, but some of that stuff inside the powder did get into it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to unceremoniously take these out, put them in a Ziploc to freeze them. But just to be safe, I'm just not going to use this box anymore. Inside is pretty good. Oh man, that one kind of broke. This box for some reason was taped shut. And maybe it was taped because it was kind of, the inside was all messed up. And they wanted to make sure it didn't get even more messed up. A little bit of quality issues. It's much better to go to the restaurant and order these.
That does sound disappointing.
Yeah, a little bit sad. This is actually a great place, but they're...
Well, they're still learning. It hasn't been a year since they started.
Their shipping is not up to par with their restaurant standards. Right. Yeah, what's up, Mama?
You survived.
I'll survive. Alright, so I just take these out of the contaminated box and put them in the freezer. There you go. Here is the finished product. It looks like a cheese roll, maybe a little bit darker, but that's my bad. I'm the one that cooked it. Let's take a bite. Nice and like flaky, crunchy crust, like sweet, caramelized, crunchy, not crunchy, but like flaky, crunchy. And it's got the sweet cream cheese in the middle. Yeah. It's been a while since I went to Porto, so I don't know the nuance between that and this, but to me it tastes the same. Nope. Tastes like Porto's. Yum yum. Yep. That's legit. This is good. Alright, I would order this again.